When you think of the French, the first thing that comes to mind is the Eiffel Tower, and then this, the croissant. France is also famous for their influence on art and fashion. So it is fair to say that they're known for their fine taste, and that includes their contribution to the automotive industry. Typically, cars with the Citroen badge are known for their comfort and striking design. It is a trait seen from the earliest to the newest models. The car we are going to see today was nicknamed Reine de la Rue, which means Queen of the Road. And I can tell you, it truly does justice to that title. Indrajit, thank you so much for sharing this beautiful car with us. This Traction Avant has a very interesting story. Please share that with us.
Thank you, Siddhraj. So, as you may be aware, that this particular Traction was raced in the 70s by a Chinese lady called Miss Mini Pan, and where she would race against the boys and run fender to fender with them. And she raced it for a few years there. After which, when I got to know about this from my dad, his friend owned the car, and it was up for sale. So I thought I should have a piece of history with me as well.
Absolutely.
This car has a feature of doing advanced retard to the ignition on the fly. You can adjust that ignition timing on the fly by turning this knob left or right. The other quirky feature of this car, which no other car at its time had, is this openable windscreen.
Absolutely great for our weather.
Yes. And the gear shift pattern, as you may notice how it is.
Yeah.
Apart from that, it's the world's first production front-wheel drive vehicle, and it has suicide doors. We have the trafficators. So yeah, these being the unique features, and being a six-cylinder, again, it's got more space. It's a longer wheelbase car. It has more comfortable interiors and seats.
Indrajit, you're such a big car enthusiast. I know with the new C5, when you drive it, you love it. Why didn't we go for a drive?
Sure, I'd love to. So as I get into this car, I really was surprised seeing the way the interior has been designed. I really like this gear lever. It's very sporty, I feel. Let's try the sport mode.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. So, after driving the car on higher speeds and through corners and bad roads, I really think, the most appealing thing to me about this car is there's no lag, even in drive mode, which in most new age diesel cars is a problem. But this is very responsive. You don't feel like you're driving a diesel car. Then the other thing that matches to this well is the transmission, where you can't even feel the gear shifts, and the responsiveness of the transmission. All in all, the way the car performs is great. The way the suspension feels is amazing. Not too hard, not too stiff, not too soft. It's just the right balance. The right mix for a city drive and a highway drive. And basically, it's the car to go for today.
Nostalgia, a wishful desire to relive the past, is created by an experience which gets deeply embedded in us. Citroen has played a pioneering role in creating such an experience for millions of people around the world. And it continues to follow the tradition of not only creating a marvelous piece of machinery, but also a machine which seamlessly becomes a part of your fulfilling life.